Hello, Ben Coton here again, and we're back with another video, and as you can see we are talking birds. Unfortunately today it's raining, so we're having an indoor day today, so let's just have a quick look outside and see the weather. It's a bit miserable. It's drizzly, it's hard raining, it's chilly, it's not very nice. And as you can see on the floor, we have a little bird feeder, and in there we have some suet pellets. And the blackbirds and the robins love those. So I thought, if we're attracting birds into the garden, and they are wonderful, birds are wonderful, we'd get some more feeders, and we'd get some more food, different types of food, and start to enjoy the birds a bit more. And here are the bits and pieces that I have recently purchased and homemade from bits and pieces that were only going to go out into the rubbish. So starting from the left, at the back we have a little bird house, a wild bird multi-purpose nesting box. This was purchased from Wilko's. And next to it we have a cranberry juice carton that I've cut some holes in and placed some straws for perches and put a hole in the top, 2 holes for some string to hang the little feeder up. It's even got a little flap for a roof to keep the little birdies dry. Not that they're that bothered, but it just looks nice. We've got another hole here and another hole here. So there's one of them. The first one that I made is just simply a milk carton. Cut a hole out of and threaded some string through the handle, and hopefully the birds will like that. Then the third feeder that I've made is the same principle as the cranberry juice carton, but it's instead of a cranberry juice carton I've used an ironing water bottle. And simply I've just cut the hole for the centre out, threaded some string through, and there we are. Also put a couple of straws in for some perches. So that's the bird feeders, and I'm planning on hanging a couple of the bird feeders from the bottom of the bird house. I don't know whether that hole will be large enough for little wild birds, but we'll see. So, on to the purchased things. What we have here is, as you can see, it's a wild bird feeding station from Wilko's also. So Wilko's had a few different things purchased from there. And next to the Wilko bird feeding station, we have a wild bird flower stake feeder, which goes into the ground, and hopefully it will be quite stable because of the leg attached to it. And in the top there, in the flower, will be placed different types of food at different times to see which ones they like. There was a choice of bird feeders, the colours that is. There was red and white, and I chose red. It looks very much like a poppy as well, so that's quite nice. Next to, or on the same seat, we have different kinds of food. We have a mixed wild bird food, that's in these 2 bags here. They're both the same, they're just purchased from different places, and they contain different types of seeds and suet sprinkles for high energy for the birds. Then the bag with the black seeds in, they are pumpkin seeds, or sunflower seeds that is, and hopefully they'll like those as well. I was recommended that I should buy those for the birds liking them very much from the lady from the wild bird food stall on the market. And then we have next to that the suet sprinkles. The blackbirds particularly like those, and in the last couple of days I've had a robin in the garden. So there we are. We will get the wild bird feeding station assembled, and I'll do that now. So we're going to assemble the wild bird feeding station from Wilko's. And this should stand in a nice position in the garden, and hopefully we should get some birds in to the garden. How do we get this out? There we are. So we'll put that like that so we can see what it looks like. The price of this was very good from Wilko's. It was £7.50, which was acceptable. A few bits of sellotape to sort this out. There we are. Right. It's primarily made from metal. Some bits and pieces of metal. Oh, there we are. That's interesting. Oh, that's the lid, and oh no, that's rubber. I thought that was metal, but that's rubber, so that's interesting. Probably to help it not rust. Sellotape's a lovely thing, isn't it? There we are. Right, there's nothing left in that box. So we have some instructions. There we are. Instrucciones. To assemble. Number 1, slide the bottom pole with the spiked end inside the centre pole until it feels secure. So where's the spiked end? Who knows? Oh, there's the spiked end. That doesn't fit there. So that goes there, does it? Okay. Oh, we have a bird in the garden at the moment. It's a female blackbird. So that's that. I suppose that feels secure. So we'll just take that off and we'll put this on for now, undoing the helicopter butterfly screw. Yeah, nice and tight there. So that's the top, and from the top we can hang a couple of these bird feeders and hopefully it will feed the birds when it attracts them to it. So that's quite good. We'll just take those off for now. Stay there. And you can go back on the sofa. So we have that assembled. So under on the pole we have a water trough, which that doesn't appear to fit onto because it's too small. So that's not very good. Or is that? Ah, there's another one, right, okay, so the one's larger than the other. So that fits on there. And then that goes on there like that. Like that. And the other one can go on there like that and fit there. And we can have another no. How does that go on? We'll do that like that then. Okay. So that fits in the ground like that. The other one fits on the top. And there we are. You can't see that, can you? There we are. We are all assembled. That's that. And we can position those at different heights. And there we are. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like this video and subscribe to my fantastic channel for more videos coming soon. Be nice to each other. Bye bye.